Science Career Pathways, Exploring Online and Distance B. SC&M. SC Opportunities. Science Career Pathways, Exploring Online and Distance B. SC&M. SC Opportunities with advancements in e-learning and distance education. Students can now pursue Bachelor of Science (B.Sc.) and Master of Science (M.Sc.) degrees online or via distance learning, opening doors to flexible career opportunities in research, academia, healthcare, IT, and Industry. 1. Online and Distance B. SC programs eligibility 10+2 with science duration 3 to 4 years. Popular online and distance B. SC specializations B. SC in computer science and IT, software development, AI, data science, cybersecurity. B. SC in biotechnology, pharmaceutical research, clinical labs, bioinformatics. B. SC in environmental science, climate change, sustainability, environmental consulting. B. SC in mathematics and statistics, actuarial science, financial analyst, data analytics. B. SC in physics and chemistry, scientific research, materials science, chemical engineering. Career opportunities after B. SC, distance and online, IT sector, software developer, web developer, data scientist. Research and labs, lab technician, clinical research associate, chemist. Environment and agriculture, environmental analyst, agriculture scientist. Government jobs, public sector research institutes, ISRO, DRDO, SSC, UPSC. Higher education, M.Sc, MBA, MCA, PG diplomas in specialized fields. 2. Online and distance M.Sc programs eligibility, B. SC or equivalent degree duration, 2 years. Popular online and distance M.Sc specializations, M.Sc in computer science/IT, AI, data science, machine learning, cybersecurity. M.Sc in biotechnology/microbiology, pharmaceutical research, genetic engineering. M.Sc in mathematics and statistics, financial analytics, cryptography, actuarial science. M.Sc in environmental science, sustainability research, conservation projects. M.Sc in physics and chemistry, nanotechnology, material science, scientific research. Career opportunities after M.Sc, distance and online, academia and research, lecturer, research associate, scientist, tech industry, data analyst, AI engineer, cybersecurity expert, healthcare and biotech, lab manager, clinical scientist, pharma consultant. Government and NGOs, environmental analyst, public health consultant. Entrepreneurship and consulting, scientific writing, data consulting, edtech ventures.